Have you ever wondered how songwriters weave their emotions, experiences, and stories into the lyrics of their songs? Well, bilang isang singer-songwriter myself, para sa akin, ang most powerful songs are those transcend personal perspective. O yung hindi lang experiences mo, yung i-share mo. Di, kumbaga, sumusulat ka ng kanta na hindi ka nagkukwento lang sa sarili mong experiences. Gusto mo, narinig, yung pag narinig ng listeners mo yung kanta na sinulat mo is magre-resonate sa kanila into a deeper level. It's as if the songwriter has talked into a universal language, crafting lyrics that speak directly to the hearts of those who listen. For me, songwriting is about creating a sense of connections and community. I want my listeners to feel like they're hearing their own stories, their own struggles, and their own triumphs reflected in the music. It's a delicate balance between sharing personal experiences and crafting lyrics that are relatable, yet timeless. In this spirit, let's dive into the story behind one of Adele's most iconic songs. Have you heard Someone Like You? Well, kukunti lang yata yung hindi nakakaalam ng kanta ni Adele na Someone Like You. So, let's dive into the backstory of this song. What inspired her to write this heart-wrenching ballad? And how can we, as a songwriters, tap into our own experiences to craft music that resonate with others? Well, I want you to imagine. Imagine yourself sitting in a dimly lit room, surrounded by the echoes of heartbreak and longing. The piano plays a haunting melody and your powerful voice pours out your emotions. You're not just singing, you're sharing a piece of yourself. As a singer-songwriter, you know how it feels to draw inspiration from personal experience. Diba, kadalasan, well, hindi lang sa mga songwriter, kundi sa mga listeners also, mas nakikinig tayo ng music. Kumbaga, kunwari, ikaw, broken ka, mas nakikinig ka ng mas masasaktan ka pa. Hindi tayo nakikinig ng mga upbeat, diba? Well, dapat yun naman talaga, para ma-divert yung emotions natin. Minsan, yung ibang tao, nakikinig sila ng mga upbeat music pag broken sila. Pero ako, personally, or marami ako kakilalang kaibigan na broken sila, mas gusto nilang makinig ng mga broken song. Gusto nilang pahirapan yung sarili nila. Yung saktan pang lalo yung sarili nila. Ayun na nga. Just like Adele, you've probably written songs that reflect your own heartbreaks, struggles, and triumphs. Someone Like You is a testament to the power of music to heal and transform. When Adele wrote Someone Like You, she was going through a painful heartbreak. She channeled her emotions into the song, using it as a therapeutic outlet to process her pain. As a writer's own songs, you might find yourself doing the same, pouring your heart and soul into the music. Ganun kasakit. Ayun. Adele's love of soul and blues music influenced the song's distinctive piano-driven melody. Similarly, your own musical influences and experiences shape the sound and style of your song. As you share your music with other people or with listeners, remember that it's not just about the melody or the lyrics. It's about the emotional authenticity and vulnerability that you bring to the table. By being true to yourself and your experiences, you can create music that resonates deeply with others. Well, mostly yun naman talaga. Kung masaya ka, mas makakasulat ka ng masayang kanta. Pag in love ka, mas makakasulat ka ng mga pang-in-love na music. At mas malalim yung mga lyrics na mga gamit mo kung ikaw yung songwriter. Pag ikaw yung broken, the next time you sit down to write the song, remember that the heartbreak, the healing, and the soulful sounds that make music so powerful, draw from your own experiences and don't be afraid to be vulnerable. Your music might just become someone's anthem, their comfort, or their inspiration. Or kahit ako naman, meron akong, alam mo yun, itong kantang to ay kanta ng buhay ko. Or itong kantang to ay kanta namin ng ano ko, ng loves ko. Kung meron naman akong loves. Eh, wala akong loves na yun. Ayan. Well, at abangan niyo po pala yung bago kong kanta. So, speaking of personal experiences, nabanggit ko nga na pag in love ka ay nakakasulat ka ng mga in love na music. Well, ito na rin yung pagkakataon ko para imbitahan kayo na pakinggan yung upcoming music na personal na simulat ko. So, ay personal experiences din. Well, ang title niya ay Fascinated. Ang title ng kantang to ay Fascinated. Kung bakit Fascinated ay abangan nyo. I'm collaborating with a co-artist from Norway. And abangan nyo rin kung sino siya at i-reveal namin siya soon. So, yun na nga. Sana may natutunan kayo about sa backstory ng kanta ni Adele at bigyan kayo ng motivation hindi lang sa mga listeners kundi sa mga songwriter din na katulad ko na ayun, huwag kayong mahiya na maging vulnerable when it comes to music. Kahit wala tayong na excuses, kahit broken tayo, makakapagsulat na ng kanta, mas malalim pa yung mga lyrics na may ibabahagi natin. Masaya tayo, mas marami din tayo masusulat na words, the lyrics na magagamit natin. I want to end this video with a quote that I am sharing a piece of me through my music. Thank you and follow for more.